Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick install on a headlight tint that's going to go around the sea light. So hopefully this is a quick and easy mod. Here is the tint I'm going to be using. I got this from subispeed. I think it was like 15 bucks or so. So, you know, pretty cheap, and I think it'll make the headlights look a little bit cleaner. I don't really like this amber piece here, so that's why I wanted to black it out. So yeah, if you guys like this type of video, you know, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want. I'm going to be doing a lot of different types of mods to my car and some like installation videos, how-tos, stuff like that. So, alright, first thing I'm going to do is wipe down the whole headlight. I'm going to just use rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. You know, just clean it off, make sure there's no dirt or debris on it. And then we're going to peel off the passenger side tint and start placing it. This is the alcohol I'm going to use. And I'm going to use a microfiber towel. Alright, so here's the finished product. It looks pretty good from far away, but you know, I'm no professional at this. This is the first time I've ever vinyl wrapped anything. It didn't come out perfect, but I think it's good enough. I do still have like a few bubbles here. I don't know if you can kind of see them. There's some bubbles here. I couldn't really get them all out, and I kept ripping the vinyl off, putting it back on, pulling it off again, like to move it around, and it just got to the point where I was like, you know what, whatever, this is like, I feel like the vinyl's getting worse as I ripped it off more, so I just left it the way it is. So this is how it looks. So one thing about this vinyl is that it's pretty much cut exactly to fit this light. Like, I have a little bit of vinyl tucked in around the edges, but it's just a little, like there was just enough to tuck back here. So you'll know for this vinyl if it fits properly or not, because if you don't put it on properly, you'll notice that the edges of the vinyl will not line up with the actual headlight. So yeah, tucking these creases in was a little bit difficult. I kind of just used my nail, but you can use like a credit card to tuck them in. And then one thing I did is if you use a heat gun or hairdryer, as you heat it up, you can have it stick better when you're tucking in these inside corners. But yeah, overall, not bad for my first time doing vinyl wrap, I think. I feel like it could look a lot worse. This is like, you know, okay, I guess, for now. Here is what it looks like with the vinyl wrap. And then here's what the original headlight looks like. So it's subtle, but I really like the fact that this amber light is just like covered up. Like, I think it makes the car look a lot cleaner. Also, since I have a black car, I feel like it just flows better. And like, you know, if you take a step back, it's like, you know, it's still there, but it's not as obvious, which I really like. So yep. Okay, so I'm gonna do the driver's side one. The passenger side one kind of took forever. I'm just gonna do a time lapse of this one. Hopefully it doesn't take me as long. And you'll be able to see the whole process as I do the time lapse. kind of took a while too, but this one came out a little bit better. So here's this one. A few little bubbles here again, but not as bad as the other side. I also did have to trim a little bit of the excess, so there was a little too much. I couldn't tuck it all in, so I just got like a razor blade and very carefully cut in between the gap between the headlight and the fender. So if you just go very gently, you don't have to worry about like scratching up your paint or the headlight. It'll just cut through the vinyl. But yeah, here it is. Not too bad. Again, this is like 15 bucks, so worst case, if you do mess it up, you can just buy another pack. So yeah, if you guys like the video, again, you know, just like, subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch more stuff to this car. Yeah, thanks for watching. Alright, so I know the lighting's bad because basically the sun left and it's dark. But here is what the lights look like with the film on. I think it looks pretty good, especially if you have a black car. I feel like it just completes the look. Like I feel like it just flows a lot better instead of having that ugly amber on the side. So yeah, pretty pleased with this. Not too shabby.